Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to understand the overview of data analysis and why it plays a very important role in modern businesses. Before data can help businesses make decisions, it must go through a process that makes the data useful and meaningful. This process is called data analysis. Data analysis helps organizations identify useful information, understand trends, solve problems, and support better decision-making. In today's data-driven world, companies rely heavily on data analysts to transform raw data into valuable business insights. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of identifying data, cleaning data, transforming data, modeling data, visualizing data. The goal is to discover meaningful and useful information. Once the analysis is complete, the findings are presented through reports, dashboards, charts, and visual stories to help businesses make informed decisions. Today, both large and small businesses use data analysis to understand customer behavior, improve products and services, analyze market trends, increase profits, improve customer satisfaction. This is why data analysis has become one of the most valuable skills in the digital world. Types of data analytics. Data analytics is mainly divided into 5 important categories: descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, artificial intelligence analytics. Now let us understand each one in a simple way. Descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics answers the question, what happened? It uses historical data to summarize past events and business performance. Businesses use descriptive analytics to generate reports, measure performance, track KPIs, monitor sales and revenue. For example, a retail company may analyze last year's sales reports to understand which products performed better. Metrics like return on investment, also called ROI, help businesses measure success and identify areas for improvement. In simple words, descriptive analytics helps businesses understand past performance using data. Diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics answers the question, why did it happen? This type of analytics helps businesses identify the reason behind problems or performance changes. The process usually involves identifying anomalies or unexpected changes, collecting related data, finding relationships and patterns. For example, if sales suddenly drop in a particular region, diagnostic analytics helps businesses discover the actual reason behind the decline. It may identify issues such as poor marketing, product quality problems, customer complaints, market competition. This helps organizations take corrective actions quickly. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics answers the question, what might happen in the future? It uses historical data along with statistical and machine learning techniques to predict future outcomes. Businesses use predictive analytics for sales forecasting, customer behavior prediction, risk analysis, demand forecasting. For example, online shopping platforms predict which products customers are likely to purchase based on previous browsing history. Technologies like machine learning, decision trees, neural networks, regression models are commonly used in predictive analytics. This helps businesses prepare for future opportunities and challenges. Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics answers the question, what actions should be taken? This type of analytics provides recommendations and solutions based on available data. It helps organizations make better decisions, reduce risks, improve efficiency, achieve business goals. For example, a business may use prescriptive analytics to determine the best pricing strategy, which products should be promoted, the best marketing campaigns, inventory planning decisions. By analyzing past events and patterns, businesses can make smarter and more confident decisions. Artificial intelligence in analytics. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is becoming a major part of data analytics. AI systems can process large amounts of data, identify hidden patterns, automate reporting, generate insights faster. AI supports technologies such as natural language processing, image recognition, intelligent visualization, code generation. Today, many businesses use AI-powered analytics tools to improve productivity and decision-making. Real-world examples. Let's understand this with a simple example. A retail company studies customer purchase data from previous years. Using descriptive analytics, the company identifies which products sold the most. Using diagnostic analytics, they discover why certain products became popular. Using predictive analytics, they forecast which products may become popular next year. Finally, using prescriptive analytics, they decide how much stock to maintain and which marketing strategy to follow. This complete analytics process helps businesses make smarter and data-driven decisions. Conclusion: as the amount of data continues to grow, the demand for data analysts is also increasing rapidly. Data analysis helps businesses transform raw information into meaningful insights that support better decision-making. Whether it is sales, marketing, finance, healthcare, or technology, data analytics is becoming essential in every industry. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more educational and technology videos.